standards to get into. I opened my Ballins and I got Lance Lynn diamond and Josh Hader diamond, but I quick flipped them so I couldn't put it on video because I accidentally quick flipped them because I didn't think I would get anything. Let's go. Yeah, Ballins have not been great for me, but today I did it. I sold them because I don't need them, and I bought these packs so hope we can get a banger today. Gold, Ryan Presley, some stubs. I want to make profit with a 90 plus diamond. That would be sad if we don't pull anything else than that gold. At least this will be good for my exchanging, so I can get some just normal gold packs. I'm not going to put that on video because I know I'm just going to pull golds. Oh, I quick flipped Anthony Rendon. Just get a pack with the stubs that I got. Alright, hope to get a diamond on video for you guys. Another gold, Alex Verdugo. That's not a bad pull. Not bad at all. Let's use it to get another pack. Trout. Alright. Got San Diego Padres uniform. Don't tell me we're not going to get anything out of all of these packs. Come on, this is 32 packs that we're opening. Another gold, Yordan Alvarez. Diamond. Alright, I'm calling it. In these next 5 packs, we're going to pull a diamond. Alright, that was 1. This is going to be 2. Another gold. Another gold. This is going to be 3. This is 4. Dang it. And this one's 5. Let's see a diamond. At this rate, I only want, I just need a purple diamond. I just want a diamond. It's disappointing, but I mean, a couple more packs to go. Not looking good for us. Let me know if you pull any diamonds. Alright, down to the final 2. Alright, last one. Let's give our prayers to the Diamond Kings. Diamond Kings, let's get a 90 plus diamond right here. Oh, we ended off with that kind of diamond. But now, this is the real kind of diamond. Right here. Dang it. Okay. The pack opening could have been better. We pulled like 10 golds. But, I'll post another pack opening tomorrow. Hope we can pull a diamond. This time I'm actually going to film when I pull a diamond because I never do that. And bye.